Welcome back everyone, Triple M here. Today we're talking about Fubo TV and some of the changes that will be happening very soon. If you guys have been keeping up with this, YouTube TV recently added Viacom CBS channels, and with that addition they raised their prices to $64 a month. So Fubo is going to be in a similar situation. Currently their price is $54.99, but with new additions they will be raising their price to $64.99 just like YouTube TV in the next couple of days. So question is, with this addition, which service is better? Let's go ahead and jump into the details. So if you're new to the channel, I do everything tech, from your streaming reviews, streaming news, product reviews, unboxings, and everything in between. Hit that subscribe button in the top right, smash the notification bell, make sure you select all on notification. That way you won't miss a video or a giveaway. So when we're talking about Fubo, Fubo is one of the best services out there. I would group Fubo in the top tier with the YouTube TV and Hulu just because it offers a variety of channels. So if you look right here, guys, you have a ton of sports, entertainment, you also have news, and of course the big selling feature for Fubo is they have a ton of sporting events, and they even have sports in 4K. So Fubo has definitely been popular for the sports lovers. So what's been missing from Fubo has been some sports channels that people want to see. Me personally, I want to see. So if you look right here, guys, it says coming soon. If you click on it, and you can see that Fubo recently signed partnership with Disney, so this will add ESPN and a bunch of other channels. So if you look at it right here, you can see they're adding ABC News, Disney Channel, Disney Junior, Disney XD. They also have Freedom, ESPN, ESPN2, ESPN3, SEC, ACC, FX, FXX, National Geographic, and they also have ESPN Deportes and National Geomundo. So they're adding a bunch of channels, and these are not just sports channels. Now if you scroll down, you can see that they're also adding extra. So if you guys want even more sports, the Latino Plus packages, you do have some additional add-ons that's going to come with this. So with the addition of the new channels, their price is going to increase to $64.99, just like YouTube TV. So here's the letter that they actually sent out to their customers. So I'm going to sum it up. You guys feel free to pause the video if you need more time. So it's basically saying at the top, we're going to add a bunch of channels, ESPN channels, also some Disney Channel. This paragraph is saying that, hey, because we're adding these channels, Turner Networks will be leaving Fubo as of July 1st. So Turner Network is already gone. So that was a big shot to everyone. If you guys aren't aware, Turner Network includes some big channels, guys. So TNT, TBS, CNN International, en Espanol, HLN, Cartoon Network, Adult Swim, TCM, as well as truTV is a part of Turner Networks. So they literally snuck those channels out of the lineup and just announced that they're adding these new channels. They also state that in the next billing cycle, essentially, they are gonna add some DVR, which gives you 500 hours. The new monthly subscription will be $64.99. Other add-ons, if any, will remain at the current prices. So trading off the Turner networks for the Disney networks. So this is one of those situations where it depends on what you're into, guys. I can see this definitely competing with YouTube TV, not just because the prices are similar, but they both offer huge packages. I believe YouTube TV has 85 channels, but they offer a lot, including family share and unlimited DVR. Now with the new upgrade, it looks like Fubo will have 500 hours of DVR, and it looks like they will be adding another stream. So instead of 2 simultaneous streams, they will be bumping it up to 3. Now this is all set to happen early August, so I'm assuming it's going to be on August 1st, just because the previous change removing the Turner networks happened on July 1st. So once that happens, new channels are up. I am going to do a full review of Fubo TV for 2020. If you guys aren't subscribed to the channel, I reviewed YouTube TV last week, so definitely check that out. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. And also at the end of the year, I do a side-by-side comparison with all of the major streaming services and let you guys know which one I think is the best. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. This video is being sponsored by IPVanish. IPVanish is one of the best VPN services in the world. They do have top speeds, they do have a money-back guarantee, and they're recommended by some of the top organizations in the world, from CNET, CNN, Lifehacker, as well as PC Mag. Now, if you guys don't know what VPN is short for Virtual Private Network. And what a VPN does is essentially encrypts your data. That way no one can see your web traffic. So a lot of people use it for different reasons, to access geolocked content. Other people use it to remain anonymous while acquire media, maybe for their Plex server. Most people just want to remain anonymous. Keep the internet service provider out of your business, keep them from tracking you, and keep them from knowing what you're looking at. Check the link in the description where I will have a VPN deal that will save you a little bit of money.